All of my other cruises have been during off-season in November or February, but when it comes to aquatic fun in the summer sun, the MSC Seaside truly takes the gold with its array of exhilarating water attractions. First up is the Jungle Pool, a tropical oasis that beckons you with its lush surroundings and inviting waters. As you step into this oasis, you're transported to a hidden paradise where palm trees sway gently and vibrant vegetation envelops the pool area. The feeling is vibrant, creating a sense of tranquility amidst the excitement. Whether you choose to take a refreshing dip in the waters or simply relax on a poolside lounger or hot tub, the Jungle Pool offers a serene and picturesque escape regardless of the weather. And we did hit some rain on our cruises, but the Jungle Pool's retractable roof kept us having a great time. Next, we have the Miami Beach Pool, a vibrant hub of activity and relaxation with its stylish design reminiscent of a chic beachfront resort. This pool area exudes a lively and upbeat atmosphere. Sun loungers line the poolside, inviting you to bask in the warm sunshine and sip on a refreshing beverage from the nearby bar. The Miami Beach Pool is the perfect spot to socialize, soak up the energy, and create lasting memories with your family, friends, and even fellow cruisers. Take a dip in the cool waters, indulge in a poolside game, or simply unwind as the vibrant energy of the pool surrounds you. For the ultimate aqua adventure, make your way to the Forest Adventure Water Park. This dynamic playground of water slides offers an abundance of excitement for guests of all ages. The star attractions are the thrilling water slides that twist and turn, promising an adrenaline-pumping experience. From the high-speed descents to the thrilling twists, each slide offers a unique and exhilarating ride. Feel the rush as you plummet through the twists and turns. It's an experience that will leave you craving more. But the fun doesn't end at the water slide. The Forest Adventure Water Park also features a splash area, water sprays, and fountains that cater to younger cruisers. Little ones can delight in the interactive water features, safely splashing and playing under the watchful eyes of attentive lifeguards. It's a great spot for family fun, where everyone can join in the excitement and create unforgettable moments together. Grandma loved getting to splash with the littlest grandkids. It was easy to keep an eye on everyone while they had a great time. So whether you seek a tranquil oasis or a vibrant social hub or an adrenaline-fueled adventure, the MSC Seaside offers something for everyone. Prepare to make a splash, soak up the sun, and create memories that'll last a lifetime in these remarkable aquatic zones. Now,